In this video, I will show you how to add white paper background in CapCut PC. So if you want to add the white paper background, after you open the CapCut, so go to this import section, scroll to down and go to library. Under the library, scroll to down and go to this background. Under the background, you can scroll all the way to down. You'll be able to see this white paper background. So now drag the white paper to this side. So now here is the white paper background. So now all you have to do now, take your initial video, your original video above the white paper background like this. So take the white paper to be in the position of the original video. So now here is it now. So now if you want to change the size, so just click on this crop. So go to this pre. So now change it to your original video size. So my video size is in YouTube size, it's 9 by 16 by 9. So now here is the size. Click on this confirm button. So now as you can see, now I have the paper background in my CapCut, and that's it. Hope this video helps. Be sure to like and subscribe.